Let's unbox this washing machine with me. Guys, I got this automatic 12K washing machine from a friend's shop. So I got air fryer and washing machine. I will unbox the air fryer later. Let's focus on the washing machine now. Yeah, guys, so this is the 12 inches Hachima automatic washing machine. Let's get right into it. Keep on watching. If this is your first time here, kindly hit on the subscribe button, subscribe for more content. Thank you all. Guys, I'm so excited. I'm so excited about this washing machine. Stress free, guys. This machine is all in one. 3-in-1 washing machine. It's wash, rinse, spin, dry. Guys, I can't wait. I'm so excited about this washing machine, guys. Wow, this is so beautiful. This is so cute. It comes with manual. So guys, the manual is going to help me to operate this machine. Okay, so let's go through the manual quick and get started. This machine is not heavy at all. I moved it myself and I brought it inside myself. This machine is not heavy at all. Let's go through the main cake and then start using the machine. I can't wait to start using the machine. I'm so excited, guys. Yeah, guys, so it comes with this tab tube that you can connect at the back, so that in case you have a tab, you connect it. I'll show you guys how to use it. Here's the Hachima 12kg washing machine. I have a start button, power button, heavy duty wash, standard wash, and then I'll just do a proper video for you, show you how to go about all these things. Okay, don't worry much about it. See how the inside looks. It looks so spacious. It's so big. For this place is where the water, or the tap, when it's connected, that's where the water will come out from. Yeah, we have the thing inside that we put the detergent in for it to work perfectly. Okay, yeah, so guys, finally here is the outcome of my Hachima automatic washing machine. It looks so cute and nice. This one does not need for you to wash. When you are done, then you move it to a spin place for it to spin and all that. Yeah, just put your thing in. By the time you go back, everything is set for you. This is why I was telling you about how you are going to use the fixed, or when you have a tap and you want to connect it to your tap directly. Here is a warning that the machine is giving you. Do not put your hand in when it's on spin. A lot of things. Okay. Hi guys, welcome back. So this is a 12K washing machine that I just unboxed it. Okay. In this video, I'll show you all the details you have to know, all the things to consider before choosing washing machine that is automatic. Okay, and in this washing machine, it can be used directly from the tap. It can also be used without tap. So if in case you don't have tap in your house, don't worry, you can just use it without connection of your tap. So let's get right into that. So later I'll show you how you can use your washing machine without any tap, and I'll also show you how you can use the washing machine with tap connected. Kindly keep on watching. Okay guys, so here is where the drainage will come from. You just put it on the floor, then when it's time for it to drain or for it to spin or rinse, then the little water will come out from this tube. Okay, so you put it on the floor, or if in case you have any buckets, you can put it in, so that when there's time we get ready for it. Yeah, so guys, here is it. We have a so I just place my things in just to check whether it's washing or not. Guys, it is working. It is working, and it's time for it to spin and dry. Guys, I'll do a proper video teaching you how to do this manually. Guys, just look at this bedspread. It's dry, oh. You don't even feel any water. It's dry. You can see it's still in the washing machine, guys.